Stepping outside, I immediately noticed the fresh, wet scent of the earth. As I continued walking, unwilling to let the droplets splash enveloping my whole body. My shoes will be immediately immersed with every step I take. I feel a puddle of water moving under my feet. Rain threw himself hard on the dark, slippery pavement. My hair was dripping with ice cold rain descending to earth with every move I make. The numbing effect of hail finally set in. Fierce thunder cloud sky sneaks into the murder and flashing lightning started. Rain down faster and heavier, my feet are moving fast as I run down the street. I rush to my house and continue to stare out the window and watch the violent storm that just started. I think every one of us experiences these moments, and I don't think that we would forget these fascinating moments. Nature is beautiful and has many forms in the scene, each different and vary in their beauty. Rain is one of that, gives a real feeling of happiness and gratitude in a sad. Rain is one of the most delightful snapshots of nature and it makes everything beautiful. Rain is a pleasant time to improve every individual and can make a lot of people recognize it as an extraordinary gift from God to men. Rain is not just water, rather it is a great relief and a blessing of Almighty God in burning heat of the summer. Everything in nature has a fresh appearance after rain. The grass seemed withered in the heat of summer raises its head proudly. Houses and streets wash off their dirt, trees and plants are bathed in rainwater. Everywhere seems green. Animals and birds also love the rain. The frogs make a very pleasant noise after the rain. The cuckoo sings its sweet songs from mango tree. Peacock dances to welcome rain. It purifies the air and washes away filth. Rains help farmers in our country to make the fields ready for cultivation. People with poetic brilliance become more emotional, composing songs and poems. On the whole, rain is generally full of joy. It brings comfort to us. We sing, listen to music, relax, and eat comforting food. Life is all about learning to dance in the rain. Listen to the rhythm of falling rain, enjoy the sound of pouring rain and thunderstorms. Tilt your umbrella to steal a few drops of rain. Wear cute boots and jump in the puddles. And let the magic happen. Happy rainy day!